Hey guys, this is Laura from Purl Soho, and I'm going to show you how to do mock cable rib. As you can see here, I have this small swatch, and yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is take 2 knit stitches and then 2 purl stitches, and then the real fun begins. So here's my first knit and my second knit. Now I'm going to purl 2. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to do a right twist knitwise. It's knitwise, we're working it from kind of the right side of the fabric here, and yeah, let's get started. So insert your right needle into the next 2 stitches on your left needle as if to knit 2 together. But when you pull your needle back through those stitches, don't let them fall off the left needle just yet. First, you want to use the tip of your right needle to knit into that first stitch again. Now, once you've done that, you can then let those stitches fall off the left needle. Here we are, a little bit up close. I just want to show you that right twist knitwise one more time. Insert your needle as if to knit 2 together. Let those stitches stay on the left needle in order to knit into that first stitch again. Now, once you knit into that first stitch again, you can let those 2 stitches fall off the left needle. Now, if you're ever working mock cable rib in the round, you're going to need to know how to do a right twist purlwise. So this is a new swatch. I've worked all of these twists purlwise. You can see they look the same as right knitwise, but done in a different fashion. Let me show you how. First, I'm going to take 2 knit stitches, and now let's get into a right twist purlwise. So since I'm working purlwise, I'm going to bring my yarn to the front. Next, I'm going to insert my right needle into the second stitch on my left needle to purl it. Then I'm going to insert my needle into both the first and second stitch on my left needle, and I'm going to purl those 2 stitches together. Then I can let those stitches fall from the left needle. Here we are, guys, zoomed in, and I just want to show you how to do that right twist purlwise one more time. So I'm going to purl into the second stitch on my left needle. I'm going to keep that stitch on the left needle in order to purl the first and second stitch together. And then once I purl those 2 stitches together, I can then let those stitches fall from that left needle.